what's going to happen is we're going to have a scene by our lovely performers here, and Aidan and Jen are going to supply all the sound effects to it. So anything you see them doing, just try and add the sound effect, and if you don't see them do it, just add a sound effect anyway, and they'll try and create something. So we're going to have a kind of a really, for a real kind of adventurous scene, a scene that's kind of full of lots of kind of, what? A plane crash. Oh yes, I'm enjoying this. A plane crash, okay? I have to do it, and I just go off the side and go, you're funny. Plane crash, okay? Sound effects either side. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God. I think we're going down. Wait a minute. We've gone.
Oh. Well, that was really quick.
Hold on. Listen.
The seatbelt signs are now turned off. Your oxygen mask will fall from above.
Captain, it's too late for that.
I don't think he can hear you.
Captain, it's too late for that.
Ah! I think that was the captain.
Okay, listen. I've got my leg stuck, Lauren. I need you to pull it out of this seat now. Pull it out. We're going to die.
Okay.
My leg's going to die.
Let me just really quickly go into my briefcase, because I know there's a load of bandages in there, and I did my first aid 5 years ago.
Okay,
okay, 1 minute. Let me just open up the briefcase. Oh, so easy. Brilliant. Okay, let me get the bandages out. It's a delayed bandage. Okay. Oh my God!
Can you pull it out, Lauren? Because it's stuck. I need you to pull it out a bit. I need you to pull it out.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's on fire.
Oh God! Oh my God! It's on fire.
It needs to be blown out.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me just spit on it. I spit on you. Do you know, this is really funny. Do you know what this is? This is an unfortunate incident. This is happiness around the misfortune of others. This is Schadenfreude. This is Schadenfreude. Somebody right here will be thinking to themselves, this is so funny, and they'll laugh a bit like this. Yes. Again, it's delayed. It must be sort of the shock that I'm in. Right.
Okay, Lauren, I'm dying here.
Okay.
Can I just, listen, take my leg out. Take it out. Right. Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry. It's the delay.
Sorry. I'm scared. Can I just get it? I'm going to get this giant axe that's on the floor.
What? Whoa.
Hold on. That's not big enough.
Oh my God,
that's just...
Mrs. Perry, I'm so sorry.
Okay, no, I tell you what, there's a pneumatic drill here on the plane. And then, you've got one too? Yeah, it's going round. Lauren, listen to me very carefully. There's a child over there.
Is it? Oh my God, it's a cat.
And there's a cat there.
There's a cat with him.
Who's going first? Get the child, Lauren, not with the pneumatic drill. Get it out of the chair.
Okay. Take the pneumatic drill from me.
I've got 2 now.
Oh my God, he's laughing. He thinks it's funny. Okay.
Hurry up, Lauren.
Just gonna go pick up the baby. Oh God! He's laughing already.
Right, listen.
That?
Lauren, screw this. Yeah, and the cat's dead.
And the cat's gone as well.
I'm going to give mouth to mouth for such a tremor.
You're in shock. It's fine. Yeah. Let me give you a nice warming massage. That's what it sounds.
Yeah,
that's lovely. It's been a long time since I've touched another person.
Lauren,
thank you very much.
When I was in school, I took some acid, and now my penis is pretty damn flaccid.
Oh, Tanya, you broke my heart when you kissed Mr. Fielding off. Oh, Tanya, you broke my heart when you kissed Mr. Fielding off. Oh, Tanya,